All right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm very happy to present a great song here. One of the better I heard lately from Kodi. Okay, that's first time on this channel, and this is the winner of Americans Got Talent. I think it was a couple of years ago, maybe 2022 or so. Not sure. Anyway, this song is called "Can't Hold Me Down." Right? Strong, great song from him. A little bit surprising of his direction here, where it goes when it comes to his song here. His like how I know him, he plays piano and like classical piano like this, and now he has influences of this hip hop beat into it, and I really enjoy it. Great combo there, so really like his style. And yeah, deserves a spot here on Going Guitar for sure. So if you're a fan of Kodi, make sure you subscribe to this channel. He will be back. And yeah, let's go into this one. Can't Hold Me Down. It's the title of the song. And we have the capo set on 3rd fret. That's the best scenario for us. And yeah, we'll try to pick out this melody. Remember, he plays it on piano, has a completely different spectrum of notes and so on. So that's the reason for us having the capo on 3rd fret, to have easy chords combined with this melody, and everything needs to be playable. So that's the reason. Capo on 3rd. Let's go over the chords needed for your song. And it's actually just 3 different chords, okay? 3 different chords, that's it. So let's start with E minor. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor next, which is a bar chord. You play the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings there. If you count from bottom up like this, then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be A. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. All right, so we'll start with this melody. That's the first thing that happens in the song. So we're gonna do this chord by chord, and I can just mention now, pretty much 95% of the song goes in the same chord progression. It will be E minor, B minor, A, and back to E minor. So it both starts and ends on the E minor chord. So we have 3 different chords, but this is a 4-chord song, chord progression. So we'll start with the first E minor part. And the piano, he plays like this. All right, so you're gonna play open E string in the bass together with open B, then open G, open B, open G, and then you're gonna play the open E string in the bass together with 2nd B, open G, 2nd B, open G. That's the E minor, the first one. So next comes the B minor part, and it goes like this. All right, so I suggest you hold the index finger on the 2nd fret A string and your ring finger on the 3rd fret B string. That's how I do it. So you pick these 2 strings first, 2nd A together with 3rd B. Then you have 2nd high E, and I use my mid finger for that one. And then 3rd B and 2nd high E. Then you can release that 2nd high E and the ring finger and just hold this grip. You keep that 2nd fret A string with the index finger there. Now you place your mid finger or whatever finger you want on the 2nd fret G string. You play 2nd A, 2nd G, then open high E, 2nd G, and open high E. That's the B minor part. So slowly. All right. Then we're gonna play the A part, and it sounds like this. That is to play open A string together with 2nd B, open high E, 2nd B, open high E, then open A together with 3rd B, open high E, 2nd B, open, high E. So slowly. And then finally, the last E minor, it goes like this. So that is to play open E string in the bass together with open G, then open B, then fourth D, open B. Then you have the open E string together with fourth D, open B, fourth D, and open B. So slowly, the last round of E minor goes. And that ends one round of that melody. So I'm going to take you through one round of this slowly, and then I'm going to speed up in a standard tempo. So let's go. In the standard tempo, a little bit faster, it goes like this. And so on, right? So very nice, this melody. That is how it starts. The first verse, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that, all right? Then comes the chorus. We're about 51 seconds into the song. You're gonna continue these melody rounds here for another 2 rounds, okay? So totally, so far we have 4 rounds, 2 in the verse, 2 in the chorus. Then comes the second verse now. We are about 1 minute and 15 seconds into the song. This is where you're gonna start to learn the strumming. So we're gonna do that with the E minor. And if we grab that chord, one string round will sound like this. Okay, so you're gonna start like down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. So that's the first half of it. And then it continues after a pause there with down, clap, down. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play the same chord progression here: E minor 1, B minor 1, A 1, and E minor 1. So. Again. All right, so there you have the second verse. You play for 2 rounds like I just did. Now into the bridge parts. Yes, it happens about 1 minute and 36 seconds into the song. And that's the part a little bit different in the lyrics. I don't need your sympathy. Yes, that's where we are in the lyrics. I don't need your sympathy. It's based upon the B minor chord. And it goes like this. Okay. So you just stay with the B minor there, and you can also do it single notes. So you're gonna play second on A, second on high E, third high E, and then you can play the third high E again or a clap. And then second high E, sharp pause, and then you're gonna play second high E again. And then you're gonna play it again. So second, third, clap, and back to second. That is one round. All that is one round. So all that is one round. You can do it with the full chord. So like that. You have the chord as a supportive note or like something in the back to give more oomph to it, more sound, like more depth and flesher than just single notes. Okay, so that's the reason for us having the B minor as a full chord and then pick notes from that. Okay, so that is one round of that bridge part. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. This part will come back later in the song, but for now 4 rounds and that's it. Then into the third verse, you're gonna go with the same chord progression: E minor, B minor, A minor, and you're gonna do that with the strumming. 2 rounds of that. Then into the second chorus. Okay, that continues the same strumming, same chords for another 2 rounds. Then comes the second bridge part. All right, it happens about 2 minutes and 52 seconds into the song, or it's the second. I'm not sure if that's a bridge part or not, but anyway, you're just gonna continue again, still same chords, 2 rounds of that strumming. Then into the third bridge, actually, or it's just connected to the second one, the second half of the second bridge. I'm not sure. Anyway, you will now, at this point, come back to the one I showed you with the B minor and the notes. You're gonna do that bridge again for another 4 rounds. After that part, you're gonna play the outro, and that is to go back to how you started everything with the melody. You're gonna play 1 round of that beautiful melody, and that's it. Kodi, Can't Hold Me Down. Great song, strong lyrics, and yeah, give it a try. A little challenging, perhaps, with the notes there, but anyway, stay with the strumming and you have it. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.